Hello everyone! We've received questions regarding how to use the discounts for providers, known as either provider-hosted or provider-discounted, when registering for HFMA's Western Region Symposium, which is happening at the Paris Hotel and Convention Center in Las Vegas on January 16th through 19th, 2022. There are many discounts available to providers wishing to attend, and we are very excited to have you join us for this amazing educational event. To help streamline your registration process, we have created this step-by-step instructional video to walk you through the registration process. If you are a provider who has received a special invitation from one of the Western Region Symposium chapter presidents known as Provider-Hosted Discount Code, or if you are a provider that would like to receive a discount for attending the conference known as Provider Discounted, then please follow these steps. Go to www.hfmawesternsymposium.org. In the middle of the page under Registration Now Open, click on the orange words Register Here. This will take you to the General Registration Overview page, which has some valuable content. In the top right corner of the screen is a blue registration button. Please click on the button. Next, complete all of the necessary required fields, paying special attention to select the correct registration type. This is a drop-down menu, and as a provider, you will want to choose either Provider Member if you are an HFMA registered member, or a Provider Non-Member if you have not yet completed your membership with HFMA. Once all of the required fields are completed, please click the Next button at the bottom of the page. This new page is a list of all of the registration options available to providers attending the HFMA Western Region Symposium. If you have received a special provider-hosted discount code from one of the HFMA chapter presidents, please select Provider-Hosted Invitation Only button. Please note that you will not be prompted to enter your discount code until you reach the payment screen. The code will adjust the amount owing down to $200, which will be refunded when you check in for the conference at the registration desk. If you are a provider that has not received a special provider discounted code, please select the second option, Provider Discounted. Once selected, please click the Next button at the bottom of the page. A series of optional guest tickets will appear. If you have a non-registered guest that you would like to attend some of the special events, please select the number of tickets desired at this point. Once things have been selected, please click Next at the bottom of the page. You will now be presented with a list of sessions that are available. Please take a moment to select the sessions you will be attending, as this helps us with the room size and needs for each presentation. Please note, all solution showcase sessions, keynote sessions, general sessions, meals, and networking events are included with your registration and will automatically populate on the agenda you will receive on your confirmation email. When you are done, please click Next at the bottom of the page. You will now be presented with a summary of your registration. Please review to ensure its accuracy. If all looks good, please scroll down to Terms and Conditions. Review and check the box showing that you agree to the terms and conditions. Continue to scroll down to the next section titled Order Summary. It is here where you will input the provider-hosted discount code that you received. Again, once entered, it will lower the amount from $620 to $200. This $200 secures your registration and will be refunded to you when you arrive at the conference and check in at the registration desk. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information for the $200. If you have not received a provider-hosted discount code, then it will simply show the discounted amount needing to be paid to complete your registration. Once you have all of the key information entered, please click Submit, which will finalize your registration process. You are now registered for the event, and you will receive an email confirmation for your records. We are so excited to see you in Las Vegas and can't wait to tackle the future of healthcare with you. Should you have any registration questions, please contact the event manager, Diane Daniels. Her email is diane@demarsmeetings.com. Thank you and see you in Vegas.